Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high.
All day long I've been meaning to get my stuff together and start cleaning, and there's not really any one particular thing that's stopped me from cleaning. It's just a million other things that I've been doing instead of cleaning. So I finally decided about, I guess it's around 7 o'clock now, to finally get started and get this video recorded so I would have some content for tomorrow. I swear this dog will sniff out a crumb of anything from underneath of anywhere, and he is relentless and will not stop until he actually gets it.
Inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease, but feared that my days were.
Funny story, I don't actually like cold water, but you're about to see me put all of my water bottles in the refrigerator. That's because I don't feel like walking out to the garage where I normally store my water because I'm drinking so much of it now. I put it in the refrigerator for easy access, and then I usually just let it sit out until it's not cold anymore, and then I'll actually drink it. So that's why you see water bottles all over my house when I'm cleaning. I take them everywhere and leave them out, and then when they're not cold anymore, then I'll drink them. My kitchen counter is definitely that catch-all space in my house where everything goes before it actually gets put away.
That my days were over, but you sent your light to find me. It's like my engines overflow, and I ain't fueled, it's time to go. Give it one try, you will see if you give it away.
Thank you. Yay! Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you watch cleaning videos, I'm sure you've seen everybody have these Scrub Daddy sponges, and I was never really intrigued about them. The thought never really even occurred to me. I was like, it's a sponge. I mean, a sponge is a sponge. Until I used one at a friend's house, and then I had to have it. So if you don't have one, go get you a Scrub Daddy sponge. They're awesome.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back. fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth.
Everything that's on my bed right here is all the stuff that I brought in from the living room to put away. It's my laptop, the microphone, some extra tripods, my mouse, miscellaneous things that I use when I'm editing or just using my laptop in general. And now that I'm watching this back, I have all of it out again because I'm using it. So, like, why did I even put it away? I should have just left it where it was.
On the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue.
I am still so mad about losing this pillowcase. I have no idea where it could go. Like, how do you lose a pillowcase that's kept with all the other linens and sheets in the same bundle?
Supposed to do, yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah.
I have one of two videos I'm planning to record for next week, so let me know which one in the comments you would like to see. The first one is my hall closet. I'm going to completely remove everything, reorganize it, or my laundry room. I'm going to do the same thing, but it's not just the laundry room, it's also my pantry. So the reorganization and cleaning out and decluttering is going to be primarily the pantry. So let me know which one of these you would like to see. I really do appreciate you watching my videos. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Happy Halloween. I hope you guys are having a great day. I will see you next week.
Cold inside,